Stop scrolling. Did you know that Tom Hanks, beloved star of Forrest Gump and Hollywood's unofficial nicest guy, is a full-blown typewriter fanatic? That's right. While most celebrities splurge on flashy cars or luxury yachts, Hanks hoards typewriters. Not just a handful. He owns over 120 vintage machines, spanning decades and continents. What started as a quirky hobby quickly became a full-on obsession. Hanks once confessed he loves the sound, the feel, and even the smell of typewriters. Yes, he actually sniffs them. He's been known to travel with a typewriter tucked in his bag, just in case inspiration strikes on the road. Friends and fans send him rare models, hoping to impress him. But beware, Tom is a typewriter snob. He prefers the clackety-clack of manual machines and has written countless thank you notes and even entire movie scripts on them. His passion went so far that he created a typewriter app, Hanks Writer, so everyone can experience the joy of old-school typing. So next time you see Tom Hanks, don't ask for an autograph. Ask which typewriter he's using today.